Adaptive active noise cancellation with 50 hours of battery life? What? A lot of people keep looking to buy wireless headphones with active noise cancellation, right? But problem with ANC headphones is they're either expensive or they get like very limited battery life, guys. 25-30 hours max. Today I have something very interesting in the house. This is a new model wireless headphones launched by Sennheiser recently, guys. I think it's been only like 3 or 4 days, and the model is called as Accentum Plus Wireless. These offer something known as hybrid adaptive active noise cancellation and offer up to like 50 hours of battery life, guys. Plus has like very interesting other features as well, including touch controls, and all of that at a value for money price tag. So this is what we'll be unboxing and talking about in this video. I've already been using these headphones for almost like 7-8 days. You can see the headphones are right over there. But anyways, first let me share you my unboxing shot and show you all the accessories we got in the package, and then I'll be back and sharing my complete experience and feedback on this model. Alright boys, I'll try to keep this unboxing part as short as possible and directly get to the product features. Our brand new Accentum Plus Wireless came in this sort of box packaging. You have the Sennheiser branding, picture of the product on the front, and by the way, this model is available in 2 different colors. We have the standard black edition today. We've got all of its main highlights and specifications mentioned over here, and there are subtle differences between the Plus variant and the previously existing Accentum. We'll discuss about that also in this video. Main highlight is this particular headphones comes with like adaptive active noise cancellation, and yes, they do support Qualcomm's aptX and aptX adaptive as well. As soon as you open it, our headphones came packed in a free carry case, and yes, you're also getting some documents. Make sure to read that. Now let's quickly open up the carry case and check out the product we've been waiting for, our brand new Sennheiser's Accentum Plus wireless ANC headphones. And along with the headphones, looks like we also get some accessories included in the carry case. Let me quickly show you. You're getting a Type A to Type C cable for charging, plus you're also getting a user manual on how to easily pair and connect it to your phone. And along with that, you're also getting a 2.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable included. And good thing is all of these can be easily carried along with the headphones. So that's it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me give you a closer look at the product and first talk about the design, build quality, and all of its highlights. Sennheiser's new Accentum Plus are wireless ANC headphones, and you're getting subtle improvements over the already existing Accentum headphones. And the major thing I would like to point out is now you're actually getting a complete touch control panel, using which you can fully control your calls or maybe like the music that is playing, or even change the noise cancellation state as well. Initial impressions, headphones definitely look sleek, right? I mean, look at the finishing over here. Good build quality, I would say. Looks like the entire body is made of polycarbonate and doesn't seem to attract fingerprints that easily, so definitely a plus point. If you talk about the flexibility and adjustability part, ear cups on it can be rotated fully, guys. Complete 180-degree swivel angle is there, and they're also fully adjustable, so you can easily adapt to almost any head size. Let me also quickly show you all the available connectivity buttons and ports. Basically all of them are present on the right ear cup. This one is your touch area, using which you can give a lot of commands. Going down here, you got your multifunction power button, a Type-C port for charging is there, 2.5mm aux port is available, and I believe these are your microphones. These headphones feature a 2 mic beamforming design. We'll talk about the call quality experience at a later part of the video. Going to the cushioning part, ear pads definitely look good quality. There's plenty of cushioning over here, feels soft and spongy. And look at this, these headphones also feature wear detection, so they automatically play, pause the music whenever you put them on or remove them. That is good thing. And look at the finishing, man, really good quality finishing, definitely justifies the price tag. Even the headband has like a soft silicone material cushioning included. So that is basically it, our complete overview on the product design and build quality. What I'll do is I'll set it up, use it for a couple of days, and then be right back to continue this video. So first of all, let me share you my experience on the comfort and usability part. Accentum Plus Wireless are roughly around like 227 grams, and despite the weight, these headphones are actually quite comfortable, guys. They fit quite firmly and offer a snug fit, and let me tell you, I've been using these headphones non-stop for like 2.5 hours also per session, and I had no sort of issues. If you talk about the cushioning part, as I've shown you during the unboxing, only very good quality cushioning. I believe you're getting memory foam on the ear pads and feel soft and cushiony. Not to miss out the headband as well, here you're getting like silicone foam sort of material, and I didn't face any sort of stress over my head. So in the comfort wise, definitely good rating I would give. Keeping that aside, one more thing I have to talk about is these headphones also have like wearing detection. They actually have like sensors in the ear cups, and they automatically detect whenever you're putting on the headphones or removing them, so they automatically play, pause the music depending on the situation. Wait a second, before we go there, let me also talk about the connectivity part. These are obviously wireless headphones, but that doesn't mean you can cannot use them in wired mode. So unlike the original Accentum wireless headphones, right, on the Plus model, they have finally included a 2.5mm aux port over here, and also comes bundled with a 2.5mm to 3.5mm aux cable. So yes, you can even use them in wired mode whenever your battery runs out. Anyways, moving forward, now let's talk about the audio quality part. I'm pretty sure people are waiting for this, right? On paper, you might feel that both the Accentum Plus and the previously existing Accentum might have same drivers, 37mm dynamic drivers, but nah, there is lot of difference over here, guys. On the new model, if you observe closely, right, the drivers, the transducers in the headphones are actually angled at a different position, which is something very innovative, guys. This greatly improves the sound stage and also audio quality as well. And I've been using these headphones for the last couple of days, as I've told you, and overall audio quality is actually quite impressive, guys, especially for the price that you're paying. If you talk about the mids, right, crisp and clear vocals, all the dialogues were like clearly audible no matter what sort of content you're watching, either it be like music, movies, or even like web shows as well, web series. Good amount of detail, I would say. You can easily pick up a lot of instruments in the background as well. Though I wouldn't compare the Accentum Plus to the premium Momentum 4 series, that is in a completely different level, but okay, for the price that you're paying, right, it definitely justifies the price tag. If you ask about the bass is also nice and rounded, though if I had to be honest, these headphones produce more like a balanced sort of audio profile, and emphasis is not much on the lower end or even on the higher end, guys. Very flat EQ, I would say. But not to worry, Sennheiser Smart Control app on your phone offers like 5 band EQ and also a couple of EQ presets as well, including some special modes like bass boost also. So if you're like a consumer who loves more low end or low frequency response with that powerful bass, you can definitely turn on bass boost. Though I was not a big fan of it, because instead of boosting the lower frequencies, right, Sennheiser was actually reducing the mid and higher frequencies and giving a similar sort of effect. I felt, flat direct preset was only much better. And now if you ask about the high frequency response was very nice. In fact, these headphones have a frequency response range from 10 hertz to all the way up to 22 kilohertz, guys, and it was producing like crisp and clear high frequency response without a lot of harshness, guys. Coming to the soundstage, this is one of its main highlights and also like a big upgrade compared to the previously existing Accentum wireless headphones. As I've told you, the drivers on this new model are actually angled and offer a lot more wider soundstage is what I can say. You can hear a lot of distinction between different instruments playing, especially if you're listening to songs like Creepy Nuts or maybe like Level X Tomorrow. Audio was sounding like really good, and I was like really enjoying the whole experience on these headphones. Talking about the distortion, THD was also like very minimum, even up to like 95% volume level, and audio output also like really loud and sufficient is what I can say, guys. On the overall, now you'll be like very happy and satisfied with the audio experience you're getting on this model. And on top of that, as I've told you, plenty of EQ and customizations are there. You need to install that Sennheiser Smart Control app and plenty of options are available. Moving on, now let's talk about the active noise cancellation part. I'm pretty sure you people were waiting for this, right? Sennheiser's Accentum Plus features something known as adaptive hybrid active noise cancellation. So usually on a lot of headphones, right, you get different levels of active noise cancellation, and depending on that, it filters out unnecessary noise in the background. Here you're getting something known as adaptive ANC, guys, that automatically cuts down and increases the strength of ANC depending on the environment, so you don't need to do anything. This is actually working well, and the algorithm over here was quite impressive, I would say, guys. I've used these headphones in like different sort of scenarios, or even when traveling in my car, or even on a flight as well, where I went to Bangalore last week. And let me tell you, active noise cancellation on this model was actually doing a good job, guys. It was effectively filtering out all the unnecessary low frequency sounds like construction sounds in your ally, or maybe like fan noise, or maybe like computer noise also. And not only that, you're also getting like a transparency mode, and you can easily switch between ANC or transparency by double tapping on the touch area of the right ear cup. And transparency mode is basically like your ambient awareness and lets you hear like what is happening around your surrounding. Plus you can even adjust the strength of transparency mode. Everything can be customizable using Sennheiser Smart Control app. Let's do a quick microphone test as well. The audio that you're hearing right now in this video is from Sennheiser's Accentum Plus wireless headphones, and microphone quality is actually pretty good. It has a 2 mic beamforming design and definitely picks up my audio very well. Other person could clearly hear what I was speaking and had like a very similar smartphone sort of experience. Do share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Battery life is like a main highlight over here, guys. Accentum Plus features a large 800 mAh battery, and the brand says that per charge you can easily expect around 50 hours of battery life even with ANC enabled, which is like quite impressive, guys. If you look at the competition at the similar price range, right, hardly you are getting around like 25 to max 30 hours battery life, guys. So this looks like a battery king in this segment. And not to miss out, you're also getting fast charging support. A 10-minute quick charge will easily give you around 5 hours of music playtime. Well, that's it, our video on the new Accentum Plus wireless headphones from Sennheiser. It costs around 15,999 rupees. What do you people think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. And that's it. I'll see you all in my next one.